An iconic brand, Kerala has developed tourism in a sustainable manner. The state's responsible tourism initiative has been a path-breaking one. Today, you will also get an opportunity to meet and interact with Kerala Tourism's representative, Sri Kumar, Deputy Director, Department of Tourism, Government of Kerala, and know more from him about the success of the tourism sector in the state. Ladies and gentlemen, I now call upon Sri Kumar, Deputy Director, Department of Tourism, Government of Kerala, our Kerala Tourism representative here for the lamp lighting ceremony and also to deliver the welcome address. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together to welcome this gentleman on stage.
May I introduce myself? My name is Kumar Ji, Deputy Director, Special Projects from Department of Tourism, Government of Kerala. Here I am very happy to see all of you and come here and participate in this auspicious occasion. That the Kerala Tourism, Department of Tourism, Government of Kerala, one of the event is this roadshow. This is the 6th one. Government of Kerala every year have this roadshow, and in 2 seasons. We do it in 2 seasons. One is for winter season and another is for summer season. And this is the summer seasons. Totally 8 roadshows are in the main cities of all over India we do. And this is the 6th place. And my duty is to welcoming you, all of you, this program, as well as say some words about the Kerala tourism. And first of all, I am welcoming all the media people, media friends from Tamil Nadu as well as from Kerala. And warm welcome to this program. And we need the big support from you. Without the support from you, we can't stand and we can't promote our tourism destinations. After that, I am giving some data about our Kerala tourism. Our director and PB Nuh IAS and our Secretary of Tourism, Srinivas IAS, and our Minister.